Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make soft idlis using Mixie. Ingredients are urad dal, idli rice and salt. First add 1 cup urad dal and 3 cups idli rice in separate bowls. Wash the urad dal thoroughly at least 3 times and drain the water. You could use this drained water to water your plants. Add good drinking water to soak it. And now wash the idli rice thoroughly at least 3 times and drain. And then add good drinking water to soak it. Soak it for at least 3 hours. Now grind the urad dal in 2 portions into a very fine batter by adding the water used to soak. Add this ground batter into a bigger container. Allow the mixie to cool before you grind the next portion of the urad dal. Similarly, grind the idli rice. Grind it into a fine batter by adding the water used to soak. You can grind it in 2 or 3 portions and add the batter on top of the urad batter. We are grinding it in portions to ensure that mixie is not overloaded and the batter is not heated up. Add the required amount of salt for the entire batter in the last portion that you grind. Now mix the dal batter and the rice batter together thoroughly. Take time to mix it as this helps in proper fermentation. Note the batter level. This will raise further on fermentation. So it's important you choose the right size bowl. Keep it covered and allow it to ferment for at least 8 to 15 hours depending on the room temperature and the place you live. After fermentation, you will note that the batter level raised in the bowl. Now set the idli maker for steaming. I would prefer the authentic style which uses the cloth. So wet the cloth and set it. Put the stove on high medium for the initial preheating. Once the steam is ready, turn the stove to medium. Sprinkle a little water on the cloth and mix the batter slightly and gently, just once or twice, and add the batter on the idli maker and keep it covered for about 7 or 8 minutes. You can now remove the idlis by sprinkling water on the cloth as shown in the video. Soft idlis are now ready. You can serve it hot or you can store it in a casserole like this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, please do subscribe for my channel. And thanks for watching. More tips follows at the end of this video. Thank you.